Welcome back class 8 students. I'm your English grammar digital mentor and I'm back again with a new chapter which is chapter number 22, synonyms and antonyms. So let's start with synonyms. A synonym is a word having same or nearly the same meaning as the other word. Now here a list of synonyms are given. Let's read them one by one. The first word is artful. We can also write it as crafty. Second is abundant, leave, abundant, plentiful, adversity, misfortune, adamant, stubborn, ascent, climb, assistance, help, awkward, clumsy, brief, short, brittle, breakable, barrier, barricade, calamity, misfortune, captivity, confinement, compassion, kindness, consent, agree, consequence, outcome, commence, start, conceal, hide, conquest, victory, demolish, ruin, ecstasy, delight, eccentric, strange or abnormal, eloquence, fluency, epitome, example, feeble, weak, hazard, peril or we can say danger, humble, meek, immaculate, spotless, immerse, submerge, impediment, obstruction, incompetent, inefficient, inevitable, unavoidable, insipid, tasteless, intrinsic, genuine, jubilant, rejoicing, juvenile, young. Then we have lavish, abundant, lure, attract, modest, humble, minute, small, mysterious, unknown, marvelous, wonderful, mercy, pity, magnificent, splendid, obstinate, stubborn, offspring, children, outbreak, eruption, progress, betterment, placid, calm, reluctant, unwilling, redeem, recover, savage, wild or we can say untamed, slender, slim, sacred, holy, stationary, still, temperate, moderate, timid, coward, tranquil, dishonest, tranquil, peaceful, treacherous, dishonest, trivial, insignificant, thankful, grateful, vain, arrogant, venom, poison, veteran, experienced, vivid, clear, virtue, righteousness, vain, decline, yell, shout, zenith, summit, zeal, eagerness, zest, enthusiasm. Now, here are some questions. In part C, we have to write the synonyms of the following words. The first word is abandon. The synonym of abandon is leave. In the similar way, you have to do rest of the part of this question by yourself. Let's move on to the next part. In part D, we have to circle the words which is similar in the meaning to the first word in each group. The first one is etiquette and we have three options: opposite, sufficient and brief. So similar meaning of etiquette is sufficient. So we will circle the word sufficient. In the similar way, you have to do rest of the parts of this question by yourself. Let's move on to part E, which is antonym. A word which is opposite in meaning to the other word is called antonym. Now here are some words for which antonyms are given. Let's read about them one by one. Ancient, modern, allow, prohibit, adversity, prosperity, ascend, descend, affection, hatred, ancestor, successor, beautiful, ugly, comfort, distress, destroy, create, guest, host, huge, tiny, haste, delay, hope, despair, honor, shame, humble, proud, hide, reveal, joyful, sad, kind, cruel, knowledge, ignorance, learned, stupid. Then we have legal, illegal, mortal, immortal, quiet, noise, rough, smooth, remember, forget, release, detain, reward, punishment, spend, hoard, sympathy, apathy, thankful, thankless, understand, misunderstand, unity, division, upper, lower, victim, assailant, virtue, vice, visible, invisible, wide, narrow, war, peace, waste, conserve, weep, laugh. Now based on these words, we have to write the antonyms of the following words. First word is agree. So antonym of agree would be disagree. Adversity, antonym of adversity will be diversity. In the same way, you have to do rest of the parts of this exercise by yourself. Let's move on to the next part of this chapter, in which we have to match the words with their antonyms. First word is ancient. Antonym of ancient will be modern, which is part D of the second column. So we will match them. In the similar manner, you have to match rest of the parts by yourself. Let's move on to the next topic, which is part H, making antonyms with the help of prefixes. Antonym of many words can be formed by adding the prefixes un, in, ir, ill, im or miss. Here are some examples. First one is for un, unskilled, unhurt, unstable, unimportant, untidy, uninvited, unwise, unkind, unknown, unlucky, unable, unavoidable, unconditional, unconscious, undesirable, uneducated, unripe, unfriendly, unscientific, ungrateful, unsold, unhygienic, unsystematic, uninteresting, unusable, unjust, unforgettable, unpopular, unnatural, unfit, unbeaten, uncommon, uncountable, undemocratic, unexpected, unfortunate, unsafe, ungrammatical, unshaven, unhealthy. Now next is in. Incorrect, incurable, invisible, infinite, incapable, inexpensive, inequality. Next is indecent, indecent, indefinite, insufficient, inactive, incomplete, indigestible. Now next prefix is dis, discontinue, disconnect, disagree, disallow, disqualify, displease, dishonest, dishonor, disarm, disadvantage, disappear, disrespect, disobey, dislike and disgrace. Now next prefix is ir, irrelevant, irreligious, irreparable, irreplaceable, irrational, irregular, irreversible, irresponsible. Next is illegal, illegitimate, illogical, illiterate, illegible. Now next prefix is im, immovable, impure, immoral, immortal, imperfect, impolite, immature, immobile, impartial, impatient, impossible, improper. Next prefix is mis, misspell, misguide, misquote, misfire, mishandle, mislead, misunderstand, miscalculate, misbehave, misrule, misplace, misconduct, misprint, misrepresent, misuse. Now we have to form antonyms using the suitable prefixes. First one is able. So we can add the prefix un with it. So the word will be unable. Similarly, you have to do rest of the parts by yourself. With that, we come to an end of this chapter. I hope you understood and enjoyed today's class. We will meet again in the next class with a new chapter. Till then, take care.